I work for a culinary school, and I am constantly on my feet about 6.5 hours out of my 8-hour day. And I walk amongst the campus to different locations, and I was just in constant pain. At the end of my workday, I would go home, and I would just have tears in my eyes. And it came to the point that when I came home, I basically had to sign off, and my husband had to step in and pick up on my regular duties of running the kids here and there. When I came to see Dr. Yasgur, he told me I was a great candidate for a partial knee replacement. When I came to Northern Westchester Hospital, I felt very welcomed. They really took the time to explain what was being done and put me at ease. Again, I mentioned that I have 3 kids and a husband, and I will continue to use Dr. Yasgur and Northern Westchester Hospital as our place for care.